Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Chase app white screen after login on iPhone or Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Chase app white screen after login on iPhone, first what you can do is just simply head over and close the Chase app completely and reopen it. To do it, simply long swipe up on the home screen on your phone and then simply close the app, and then once you do that, what you need to do is simply open the Chase app once again and look if that fixes your issue. And on the Android, what you can do is simply press the square or simply hold or pull up the Chase application like this and then swipe up to close the app on your Android as well. The next thing that you can do is restart your phone. And on the iPhone, what you can do is just simply press the volume button up and the power button together, and once you do this, you'll find the power off slider right here. Simply slide it off to close your phone. Then once that's done, if that doesn't work, another step that you can do is check your internet connection. To do it, simply pull down your notification bar or toolbar from the right hand side of the menu, then simply long tap on your Wi-Fi, and all you gotta do is change the Wi-Fi connection or use the mobile data right here and try opening YouTube or Google to see if the internet works. Then next is to update the Chase app. Simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Chase and then search for the app, and once you do that, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes older version also might be causing the issues that you're facing, and once you update the app, the issue should be fixed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.